So, hello everyone. Now we are going to do this question, which is which of the following is correct with respect to the minus I effect of the substituents. The condition is R is equal to alkali. So the options are minus NH2. It's not minus. It's NH2 less than OR less than F. Second is NH2 greater than OR greater than F. Third is NR2 OR F. And fourth is NR2 is greater than or is greater than F. So basically in this what we have to do, we have to just fall in the correct respect to the minus I effect. So basically we have to find out the correct order for the minus I effect from these four options which are provided to us with the condition provided to us, which is R is equal to alkali. So the minus I effect as increases on increasing the electronegativity of the atom. So the correct order according to this is minus I effect is NH2, OR and minus F. So the most appropriate answer is option first, and however the option 2 may also be correct, which is option 2 is NH2 is greater than OR and greater than F. So basically, how is this also be correct, as it was said that increasing on minus I effect increases or increasing the electronegativity of the atom. So according to the condition which is provided to us is R is equal to alkali. So according to them, it does not as the NH2 minus I effect is not as much as greater in comparison to OR, and OR's minus effect is not as much as greater than the minus effect of F. So basically it basically depends on the condition. So the condition provided to us is the option 1. So option 1 will be the correct answer. Yeah, the option 1 is the correct answer. So thank you everyone.